I recently ran into an interesting problem. I was processing some dry wash tailings that I had purchased from jimbosgold.com, and I noticed that the gold, even the small stuff, was unusually chunky. Miller tables hold on the gold not because it's so much heavier than black sand, but because it's flat. And because this gold was chunky, it was moving down the Miller table just about the same rate as the black sand. Now, this was hematite, not the magnetite, so it wasn't easy to pull out with a magnet. I reduced the incline and the flow rate to keep the gold from washing away, but then the black sand wouldn't wash away. Then I remembered that I had done some experiments about using super powerful rare earth magnets that were strong enough to actually pick up hematite. Because hematite isn't completely non-magnetic, it's just very low magnetic. So I got the idea of taking one of those super magnets while the material was on the Miller table and run it back and forth to pick up the black sand, the hematite that was remaining. And I got a surprise. It did pick up the black sand. And also cleared away a lot of other sand that wasn't black sand. And I had a hard time figuring this out at first, but then I realized that a lot of the sand that's in here, even though it doesn't have much iron in it, it has little specks that might be enough to be picked up by a strong enough magnet. So I tried it and it works really great. Now all I have is a little bit of blonde sand, which is much easier to separate from the gold. And as you can see, it works great. I now have a nice, neat little line of gold that's very easy to pick up with my suction bottle. So if you have this problem where you have a hard time separating some of the final black sands on the Miller table from your gold, try using a super strong magnet, and I think you'll help it clean it out. Thank you for watching.